So now that we have our livability index map, let's take a look at some of the variables here. I'll just click on one of these block groups. And so here, I guess the first one we can look at is life expectancy. So the life expectancy in this area is 77.3 years. So then if we look at the average, min-max, it's 92%. And so this is a range from 0 to 1. And it indicates that the life expectancy in this block group is close to the maximum observed value within all the block groups of this data set. Then let's take another look at, let's see, pedestrian. So if we look at pedestrian, so remember this is pedestrian bicycle accidents. And so we're at 0, which means that there were no bicycle accidents or pedestrian accidents within this block group, within this time period. And then the reversed, meaning that it's a reverse normalized value, and it indicates that the pedestrian infrastructure here, or the pedestrian accidents and bicycle accidents are at the lowest compared to the other areas, which makes sense because there are 0 pedestrian bicycle accidents. We can look at owner cost burden, and this represents a value of 40, which indicates there is a moderate burden. And then we can look at the reversed, and again, this is just normalizes the values across the data set, and it's relatively low compared to all the observed values in this area. We can also look at the median home value, which is $383,500. So this is how you interpret the data in this data set. So you will want to decide what variables you want to kind of show in your pop-ups. You also then want to format these. And then when you do your story map later on, you are going to want to describe what is going on in general in some of these areas.